Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Have the parental controls PIN or Nintendo account details ready so you can authenticate. Once ready, make sure the switch is charged and online. This prevents interruptions during verification. Now open System Settings from the Home menu, scroll to Parental Controls, and select it. You need to enter the PIN or use the linked Nintendo account to proceed, because the console locks changes without authentication. This ensures you're authorized to change restrictions before moving to removal steps. After authentication, you'll see options to change or disable controls. Select Disable Restrictions if you want them off entirely, or change restrictions to relax specific limits. If your Switch is linked to the Nintendo Parental Controls app, open the app and navigate to Console Settings to remove or modify controls remotely. Make sure to confirm each change on both the console and the app, because settings can sync via the Nintendo account. Once done, verify that playtime limits, age filters, and communication blocks reflect your new choices. Complete the process by restarting the Switch so all changes apply cleanly. This helps clear cached restrictions. If you encounter a forgotten PIN, use the Nintendo account recovery flow or sign into your account to reset parental controls. Don't try repeated guesses that lock the system. If restrictions persist, double-check any linked accounts or the Parental Controls app and unlink and relink the console as needed. If problems continue, contact Nintendo support with your account info for assisted removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.